Hi everyone, Kasia here. I know that most of the children in Sherwood love to play pirates, and I know the garden room children, they also play in pirates. I know Juno and her brother are very into the pirates play. So I thought that today I can show you how to make a pirate hat, a pirate eye patch, and maybe how to make the boats. I made a few boats in here, and I show you how to do them, and then you can play with them. Let's make the hat first. So as you see, I used the newspaper and I covered with the black paper in here. So I've got a piece of the newspaper. It's a quite big one, like this. Yeah, so I'm going to fold it in half, then I'm going to turn this way, and it's good to fold it again, so later when you fold the corners you will see the line in the middle. You have to go all the way down in here and then fold it this side, and we do that the same on the other side. Just like this. There we go. Fold it here. Just press with your fingers so it will be nice straight. And then we've got this shape now. What we're gonna do, the down bit needs to go all over the top in here, and then fold it this way. Yeah, we turn around and we do the same on the other side. So we turn in here. That's it. And you can't believe it, the hat is ready actually. Look, it was very easy. Your hat can be ready. You can wear this way or you can do on that way. I'm going to cover my hat with the black paper. So you do the line. Now you can draw your pirate sign. I'm going to use the chalk for it, and you can use the white pencil. See, I can do that this way. Then you have your hat. And also remember that you can use the different color of paper. You can make smaller hats. I made the big one because I got a big head. But you can use the A3 paper and you can make a small hat for you, different color as you like. Okay, now we're gonna make pirate eye patch. I used the carton the fruit came in, but you can also use the black paper. Once you cut the circle, you need to do 2 holes on the sides. And this you need to ask an adult to help you with. And of course, before you are cutting, always ask your adult to help you when you use scissors or when you're using the tools. So we need someone adult that can supervise you. Then use some elastic or some string to tie it up in the holes you did before. And now your eye patch is ready. So hat and eye patch are ready. Now we're going to make the boat. So if you got the piece of paper, what we do, we fold the piece of paper in half as we did the same with the hat. Just fold it in half, press in here, and then fold it again on this side, just to help you to have that line in the middle, so you know where to fold the sides. So now when you go down, this line and this side needs to go straight down in here. And then press in here, fold it one side, and again on the other side. So remember, we were doing the same with the hat. So this side goes up in here, press down there, okay, and on the other side, like this. But this time, we're not going to leave like this. We need to put all these triangles folded inside and one over the other. This way. Yeah, same on the other side. So remember, they have to go inside like this, and that goes over. To make it more steady, we can use a little sellotape to stick that down so that won't fail. As you see, this can be a hat, but we're going to continue. So if you got this way, open inside, stretch, and then fold it into a square. You can say it's a square. Yeah, got the square folded in here. Now fold it up on one side, turn around, fold it up on this side. There we go. And we've got triangle again. Now you open it up and fold it down again. Like this. Okay. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to do the magic. We're going to open the boat this way. Yeah, so you just squeeze a little bit on the bottom, and then you open here, and your boat is ready. That's how we make the boat. Okay, now Kasia the pirate is ready to go and sail the boat. See you soon!